Good morning everyone and welcome back to a decentralized bull channel. Today we are going to talk about the recent drop on Bitcoin and altcoins. Some altcoins are down already 30%, so we need to be very careful during these market times. Make sure you watch my videos until the end and share these videos with your friends so your friends are also aware of the possible outcomes on the crypto market. So right now, without further ado, let's jump straight into Bitcoin charts and see what the technicals are telling. Right now we can see here Bitcoin sitting at $69,344. Not so bad. It's just a little drop actually, guys. We just dropped from 72,000 down here. It's around a 3.6% drop until the bottom of the drop was 4.86%. So nothing major here for now. We are still having this symmetrical triangle right here, and we can see it's forming many more touch points. So right now, are we gonna see a breakout from this? We are exactly on the top of the line here, and you can see the price is exactly following the trend line here of this symmetrical triangle for now. So let's see. A symmetrical triangle is usually a continuation pattern. So a continuation pattern means if we have been going up, we will probably break out to the upside again. So this is what the probability is telling us. But a symmetrical triangle can also break to the downside. It's not like it can break. So let's see what would be the outcome of this symmetrical triangle right here. So we can take it here from the bottom, from the $65,000 back to the top, to the around the $72,000 now, and then we can see here if we will break to the downside, we can expect a price target of $62,000 on Bitcoin, which would be around 12 to 15% drop for now. Let's see if we will break out to the upside, and this can happen anytime. So let's say we will go to the apex point here, $73,600 or $74,000, 74,719 would be the price target of this symmetrical triangle. I think this is a more likely outcome, guys. We have an amazing year in front of us. We have a lot of interest coming into crypto. We have a lot of politicians going into crypto. We have Trump talking about crypto. We have many other JFK Jr. and many other politicians that are pro crypto. And right now, many will try to get the crypto people on their side by approving nice laws and nice legislations for that. That's why I think the crypto market will continue its run just as before. We had the same kind of dips, in November, in January, and in March. Now Bitcoin is just a little bit below the all-time high. People are already getting scared. I'm not getting scared at all. I already posted on Twitter. I'm accumulating more. I posted my list of accumulation coins that I'm looking into buying on Twitter. I will also talk about some in this video, so make sure to give a like and also comment what you're buying. Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you out of the market? Are you waiting for even a bigger dip to buy more? So let me know in the comments. I would gladly like to take a look and discuss with you down there. For now, let's see what the altcoins are doing. And we can see here Ethereum below $3,700 looks definitely very juicy for me as well. Then we have Doge below 15 cents, also nice and juicy. Then we have Not and Not, guys. I know these ones are more risky plays, but if you can see here, we are sitting now at 17 cents. Let's say Not will go back to the price it was a couple of days ago. Let's say maybe 1 week, or how long was it? So before 1 week ago, it was around 30 cents. So we can see here, we can make around 57% gains on this play here, 64% if it goes back to the peak. So quite amazing opportunities in the market out here. So right now, let's say you would open a 10x leverage trade on Notcoin, you could basically take 660% gains with you if the price goes back to the price it was 1 week ago. Now let's take a look at Stacks, and Stacks looks like it's holding quite stable right now. Still looking very nice in my opinion. Like we can see here, we just created a new higher high here, quite nice, and now we are having this resistance here at $2.46. As we can see, we have this resistance right here also, and now it looks like it's forming some kind of symmetrical triangle as well, or more or less. So let's see. I expect it's definitely the next price target would be around $2.58. That's where we can face some resistance, and after that we can go back to the $3.12. Now let's take a look also at Optimism. I still have a lot of Optimism. I didn't sell any for now. I'm waiting definitely for the $4 to take some profits on that, quite certain. And now let's look also Matic. Matic also dipped a little bit, like around 10% or even more. So let's see. Quite a nice dip, 15% on Matic. So you can definitely make some nice gains if you buy right now and it goes back to the same price. So let's say it will go back here, you can make around 13% on spot, guys. Quite amazing gains. Like many hedge funds are taking so much percentages in a year. So quite amazing opportunities to buy right now. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 55%. Nothing changed for now. So we still didn't see the altcoin season yet. Then I definitely love AVAX here. And you can see AVAX, it's almost on a, I think on a monthly or maybe even let's see here. So AVAX was here on January, it was around $27. So we can see 3 months low here at $32. Quite amazing price to buy in my opinion, because the opportunity is huge out there. Like let's say AVAX just goes to the price from November, where it was November 2021. This was the all-time high, around 144. Let's say we would buy it now and it will go back to this price. We can make 350% on spot, guys. And I expect AVAX to perform even better. AVAX is one of the major layer ones out there, so we can evenly see a better all-time high than before, a higher all-time high. Now render, I think, will definitely jump hard as well, because we can see here AI coins, let's take a look. It went down here to $7, $6, and then it jumped back up 74% in just a matter of a couple of days, guys. So quite amazing. In around 2 months, it jumped 71%. So with a 10x leverage, you can make 700% on one of these trades. Quite amazing opportunity as well. Now let's take a look also at the news right here, and let's go to crypto and see what we have here. They're just some ideas here, not the news. I don't know where people put the news. I think they changed it from here, so we will probably take a look at that next time. Now let's quickly go over to my Twitter and see what we have there. For now, you can check out my Twitter. I post a lot of nice stuff there. AVAX, for example, I think AVAX is very juicy, around $32. I just bought some more, and I'm definitely gonna buy some more during this dip as long as it continues. Then you can get some nice life advice from me. Then again, some nice projects that I'm looking to accumulate during this accumulation phase. Then about this is probably your last chance to buy Bitcoin below $70,000. I think after this dip, we can see a massive run to the upside. If this symmetrical triangle plays out to the upside. Then we have here Leica AI, one of my favorite AI projects right now. We can see here they have an AI super app backed by Google startups. Quite amazing project. Go check them out. They are already listing on KuCoin, Gate.io, and MakeC. If you're going to MakeC, make sure you use my link from the Telegram group. I would definitely appreciate that. Now, what else we have here? We have some other nice projects that I like to show you. We have, for example, here Earn. This project is not launched yet, but they have a quite amazing campaign going on right now. So you can see here you can claim up to $10 million in tokens. So quite amazing opportunity here. You can literally make money just by playing this drops game here, Earn Monopoly, and they have also some other interesting airdrops as well. Let me quickly show you some other projects here that you can check out for airdrops. Then you can go to Lingo. Lingo, I think, has also one of the most amazing airdrops also. You can go here to Lingo, and you can see they are quite big project, already 421,000 followers. So quite amazing opportunity to get into this project early. You can see here, you just go to the pin post, and there you can read more about the island airdrop, and you go to Lingo Islands, and there you can start already farming some tokens. Quite amazing opportunity there. Make sure you check it out. You can see it looks quite nice to me, and they have crazy numbers, like 4 million views, guys. 4 million views, and here you can read about it when you go there and make research, do your own research. Always not financial advice, but these projects are not even launched, so you can basically earn some free tokens with them. Besides that, what else can I tell to you? In my opinion, the bull run is not over. I know a lot of people are screaming and are crying. Bull market is over. We will see now downwards, Bitcoin going downwards, altcoins going downwards. In my opinion, I think we still have the big move to play. Like, as you remember, guys, last cycle, after Bitcoin went above its all-time high around $19,000, we had a massive run to $64,000. So after that, we saw around 350% gain on Bitcoin, and many altcoins went parabolic, guys. If you remember, we had BNB going from $20 to $600. We had many other good projects, making crazy gains. We had Ethereum going from, I don't know, but last cycle low was $140, guys, $140, and it went up to 4,900. So you can imagine 35% X on Ethereum from the last cycle bottom to the top of the previous. So not the previous, actually the cycle before the last cycle, guys. So I'm talking about the 2017 cycle. Now, I think there is massive opportunity in the market right now if you know what to buy and if you know what to do. Never, invest more than you can afford to lose. This is certain and one of the biggest rules in crypto. And one of the second best rules of investing is don't lose money. So don't trade if you're not a professional trader, or don't trade with higher amounts than what you should. For me, I'm trading with less than 1% of my net worth, usually. Only if I'm like very certain on some moves, I'm putting some bigger chips on the table. Besides that, I'm always playing up to my risk management. That's a very important rule. And what I also like to tell you, definitely look into the airdrops. I talked about EarnM and Lingo. Those are two very, very nice airdrops right there. So make sure you check them out, and you can definitely earn some tokens just by doing some tasks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.